said, I'm not getting in that bed with her. What are you doing?
I know that little baby can't climb over things.
Can she climb over things?
I think she can climb over some things.
I think she climbed over that. I bet.
Yeah, she was almost up on.
What are you doing? Peekaboo!
Where'd you guys go for dinner?
Cafe Deluxe.
Oh.
It was good.
Mm-hmm, it was. Good, good.
Did you find out whose iPhone that was?
Good,
Oh,
good.
no, I just turned it in at the office.
They have that little app, like, where's my iPhone thing?
Well, I figured, Coco. Leave the baby
Does
alone.
Barkley do this?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Except Berkeley's bigger. Oh, now you want to join the party. And now Willa's like, mm-mm.
It's a party in the couch.
Coco, why are you all up in this